Welcome student. Now we are going to discuss next polymer, polyacrylonitrile. Next polymer, nitrile, or simply PAN or Orlen. It is also known as Orlen. Okay. Now, for the preparation of this polymer, the monomer used is acrylonitrile, CN, CH2 double bond CH, CN, CN means cyanide. This is acrylonitrile. This monomer is used in this preparation of polymer. Now, during this preparation of polyacrylonitrile, it is undergo addition polymerization in presence of catalyst like I think hydrogen peroxide, because again it is a free radical mechanism. So that's why chain free radical initiator is taken as a catalyst. Okay. Now here n number of this acrylonitrile molecules, monomers, undergoes polymerization reaction, addition polymerization reaction, and form long chain CH2 CH CN and repeating. This portion get repeated n times. Monomer, this is repeating unit CH2 CH bond CN, this is repeating unit, and this portion get repeated throughout the chain. So this is polyacrylonitrile, okay, or PAN. Again it is also known as acrylane, Orlone or acrylane. Okay. Now what is the use of this polyacrylonitrile polymer? What is the use? This polymer is used as an artificial wool. It is a substitute for natural wool. We know blanket. Okay. In winter season we use blanket, and that is made up of this polyacrylonitrile polymer. This is the main use of this polymer. Okay. So what we have to take for the preparation of this polyacrylonitrile? What is monomers for this reaction? Acrylonitrile, CH2 double bond CH CN. CN means cyanide group. Okay. Now that is vinyl, just like vinyl chloride, vinyl nitrile. Okay. Vinyl nitrile, it is also known as vinyl nitrile. We know vinyl chloride CH2 double bond CHCl. Instead of Cl, here is CN, cyanide group. So this undergo polymerization reaction in presence of catalyst such as H2O2, undergo addition polymerization. All these n number of molecules get attached, add to one another and form big chain, and this is the repeating unit CH2 CHCl, repeating portion, repeating throughout the chain, long chain n times. So it is polyacrylonitrile or PAN. It is also known as acrylane, I think acrylane, alane. Okay. So this is the another polymer. So first Teflon and then polyacrylonitrile, and many more we will discuss one by one. So student, thank you very much.